Welcome, I'm Lucas. This isn't the voice you'll hear throughout the course, or rather it is, but only for a moment. I find it helpful at the beginning to offer a voice that sounds familiar, a voice that lets you believe, if only briefly, that this journey might be safe. My work in philosophy moves across traditions, but, by academic standards, the author I'm most entitled to call my area of specialization is Immanuel Kant. Of course, this is YouTube. You're free to disagree. Ironically, the article that brought me the most attention wasn't on Kant at all. It was about analytic philosophy, and it was published in Husserl Studies. Yes, that should already tell you something about the kind of reading we'll be doing here. The analytic tradition became known for treating philosophical problems as technical puzzles, solvable or not. But another path, usually called continental, inherited from Kant a different mandate: to read philosophical problems not as isolated questions, but as symptoms of a historical moment, the slow surfacing of an age's deepest contradictions. Some thinkers within analytic philosophy took up that challenge. Richard Rorty, for instance, explored how the tradition reflects on itself through Humean, Kantian, even Hegelian phases. But he remains the exception. So let me begin this course with a brief disclaimer. This isn't a neutral attempt to solve analytic philosophy's problems. It's a reading of how its earliest projects, from the most technical efforts to purify meaning through analysis to the most ideological crusades against metaphysics, came gradually to collapse.